Education is a gift, a key to the future. But here, in the heart of our school, the future needs a helping hand. Our dedicated volunteers bring knowledge, hope, and joy to these young minds. The rainy season has just begun in Chimazi, so when the rain comes, learning must stop. Our ceiling is littered with holes, so we can't keep the water out. Another classroom, another challenge. Inadequate teaching resources makes learning harder for both teacher and student. Our schoolyard could be transformed into an outdoor classroom, a place where learning can thrive. But for now, they sit on the ground because there are no desks, no chairs, just dreams waiting for a chance. And here we have the kitchen. Meals are made over an open coal oven every day, which is a health and safety risk to our staff. But still, the children remain eager, their eyes filled with determination and their voices spelling out a brighter future. And here we have a room meant for teachers, but right now, just a room filled with mattresses. We can give them a real place to rest, to prepare, and to guide our children. And the sanitation, a basic necessity, yet here it's a daily struggle. Leaking roofs, broken doors, an urgent call for change. But despite all this, look at their smiles, their laughter, their hope. They believe in a better tomorrow. And with your help, we can make that tomorrow a reality. Donate today. Be the change.